SimBlocks.io is developing software middleware to connect the Unity game engine with existing simulation systems by following a common image generator interface, or CIGI. As a demonstration, we will be using the Boeing host emulator to send CIGI packets to Unity. We will be also using Blue Skies, a plugin by Agile Source, in order to control the weather. So after hitting play, we will be greeted with a blue sky. And now we are going to fill that sky with clouds, rain, and so on with CIGI control packets. So here we have the Boeing host emulator. We will focus on the weather control packet, which comes with several predefined layers, and we are going to first send a cloud layer 1 of cumulonimbus clouds with 0 wind speed at the moment. Okay, so this is a cumulonimbus cloud. What we can also do is make it rain as well, so that would be layer 4. We will enable it and then have a severity at 1 at the moment. So after a while you will see that it will begin to rain. After, okay, there it is. So there is the rain, severity 1, and then we can also change it to severity to 5. And after change it to 5, you get a sort of a rain fog, as you would see in heavy rain. And thank you for watching this video. I hope you find Blue Skies useful for you, and hopefully you can check out our Unity CIGI plugin.